In this video, I'll show you how to generate a payslip in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar, and on the left-hand side, you want to click on the fifth option, which is payroll. Now, under payroll, you want to head over to the payroll processing section, and from here, click on the first option, which is pay employees. Now, once you are on the pay employees section, you want to head over to the left-hand side and simply add your pay run. And once you have your pay run, you need to select a pay period. You can choose a fortnightly, a weekly, or an unscheduled pay run. Now, this is depending on your pay frequencies. I do have mine for the weekly, so just simply choose that frequency. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on next. Now, that will take you to the payslip section. And in here, you can select the exact employees in which you want to pay. I have here two employees, and on the right hand side, I have checked them in order for them to be included. Now, at the bottom, you can add a payslip message. So if you click on the plus sign in here, you can add a payslip message. Now, once you are ready to add your pay run, simply head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on post pay run. Now, once you click on post pay run, this is where you can start generating the payslip. So at the bottom in the right corner, in here you have four options. The first option is to view the reports. So in here, you can choose to view the payslips. Now that will take you to the payslip section, and in here, it will automatically show you a PDF file of the exact payslip. Now, what you can do to download this is simply head over to the top and right corner, and in here you will see an arrow going down for download, and it will automatically download the payslip. At the bottom, you can also do a payroll employee summary, a payroll activity details, a pay run journal, as well as bank payments. You can also instead just email these payslips. So if you click on email payslips, and from here, it will show you all of the selected employees in which you want to send the email to. On the left hand side, you can check or uncheck that employee. Once you're done, head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on Email Payslips. Now, at the bottom, if you want to make your payment, simply click on Make Payment. In here, you can pay in wages using ABA, as well as pay using superannuation. If you are ready, you can already file the payslip, so simply click on File. And once you do that, it will take you to the single touch payroll. From here, head over to the bottom in the left corner, click on Check on the checkbox. On the right hand side, simply click on Submit to ATO. And once you do that, it will automatically file your pay run. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.